This is a really cool and portable green screen. It's a lot bigger than you think. It's double-sided, green on one side and blue on the other side, because sometimes blue actually works out a little bit easier to key out. But you take it out from the bag and you open it up, and it's huge. It's taller than me and most people. It has holders on the sides, so you can put little tripods there to hold it up, but there's also holders on the top. That way, if you need to get a T-bar tripod, you can hang it from there to hold it in place. I mean, you can also even hang it from the wall if you need to. But now comes the fun part, and it takes some getting used to, but to fold it down, here we go. You put your hands like this, bring in your left hand, spin it down into a taco shell, and you put one side into the other, and voila, it's done, and that easy. Takes a little bit more time to learn, but it is pretty easy. But something like this is great to have in case you're needing a quick green screen or blue screen for some really cool effects, or if you're just doing live streams or any kind of videos and you want this behind your chair. But it's made from really good and strong material, so I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.